Welcome back friends, and in Samsung mobile or any other mobile, Android mobile, when you are pressing power, this power button, it is locking, and when you are again pressing it or you are pressing it slightly more time, power off comes. Okay, if it is locked, even then someone is pressing it harder for some time, see, power off will come. If you want to hide this power off button from lock screen, what you need to do, I am going to tell you in this video. Just go to the Play Store and search for this app. Kindly note the spellings: CERBERUS, lock screen protector, and I have already downloaded it, so I will open it. You have to download it. Okay, now it has been opened. Now it will ask for accessibility permissions, means we have to go to the accessibility of your mobile, setting, accessibility, and here installed apps and cyber lock screen protector. This should be turned on, allow. Okay, once it is turned on, then again go to that application and here block power off menu. As you will turn it on, if you are not turning accessibility setting on, it will ask, when you are going to make it on, it will ask that please go into the accessibility and allow the permissions. So when it has been done, now see, it is locked. Now I am pressing it harder. Yeah, it will not. Earlier what was happening, it is coming and going. Earlier it was staying. As soon as it is coming, it is going. So I will show you again. Just go here, unblock it. Now see what will happen. Press it harder. See, it is staying. But as soon as you are activating it, it is coming and going, means nobody will able to turn off your phone when it is locked. So this is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.